Hello students, welcome back. This is Class 6th Science. Once again, we have Chapter 1 Food. Where does it come from? In this video lecture, I will be discussing the NCERT textbook exercise questions along with their solutions. Let's start. Question number 1. Do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? Answer: No. We do not find that all living beings need same kind of food. Different species may require different kinds of foods. Through these explanations, let us try to understand the reason behind the answer we just stated. On the basis of food requirements, living organisms are classified into three different categories. The different categories are listed as: number 1, herbivores. Animals that eat only plants are termed as herbivores. Cow, elephant, horse, etc. are the examples of herbivores. Carnivores is the second category. Animals that eat only other animals are termed as carnivores. Tiger, lion, etc. are the examples of carnivores. Omnivores is the last category. Living beings or animals that eat both plants and animals are termed as omnivores. Human beings, crow, sparrow, etc. are the examples of omnivores. Question number 2. Name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. Answer: the 5 plants with their parts that we eat are as follows. Number 1, carrot plant. Its edible part is the root. Number 2, cabbage plant. Its edible part is the leafy part. Number 3, mustard plant. In mustard plant, we have more than one edible part. Its edible parts are leafy part and its seeds, which are used to extract oil that is used in cooking. Number 4, cauliflower plant. Its edible part is the flower. Number 5, potato plant. Its edible part is the stem, which is present under the ground. Question number 3. Match the items given in column A with that in column B. Different items are listed under column A and column B. Let us directly match the correct option from column B with that of column A. Starting with point number 1 under column A, milk, curd, paneer, ghee. These all are animal products. Number 2, spinach, cauliflower, carrot. These all are vegetables. Number 3, lions and tigers. Yes, they eat other animals and are carnivores. Number 4, herbivores. They eat plants and plant products. Hence, all the options are rightly matched. Through this explanatory part, let us understand how and why we matched the items under column B with that of column A in the manner we just saw. Milk, curd, paneer, ghee are the dairy products that are obtained from milk of animals, mainly cows and buffaloes. Spinach, cauliflower, carrot are the vegetable plants having their edible parts as leaves, flowers, and roots, respectively. Lions and tigers eat other animals and thus are known as carnivores. The animals that eat plants and plant products are termed as herbivores. For example, cow, goat, buffalo, etc. Question number 4. Fill up the blanks with the words given. Here, few words which are given are herbivore, plant, milk, sugarcane, and carnivore. A. Tiger is a carnivore because it eats only meat. B. Deer eats only plant products and so is called herbivore. C. Parrot eats only plant products. D. The milk that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes, and goats, is an animal product. E. We get sugar from sugar cane. Students, that's all for this video. Thank you.